Hi folks, my name is Sergey Lemberg. I'm a lawyer right here in Stamford, Connecticut, and I want to talk to you about what to do when you get into a car accident, whether you should hire a lawyer, and how you go about doing that. Well, plain and simple. Stamford is just a few miles from the New York border. I-95, the Merit, come through Stamford. Lots of people who get into car accidents in Stamford need to figure out whether to hire a lawyer. Do I hire a lawyer where I live in New York or in Massachusetts or in Rhode Island or in some other state? Do I hire a lawyer in Stamford? Do I hire a lawyer in Hartford? What are the pluses? What are the minuses? Well, let me be frank with you. Personal injury law, like most other law, is local. You need somebody who is going to tell you your rights for the accident that you had in Stamford, Connecticut, who is going to know the streets, who is going to know the signage, who is going to be able to drive by, assess the case, interview the witnesses, go to the scene, request records from the hospitals, who is going to know the court system upside down. That's why you should hire a lawyer in Stamford rather than in New York or in Boston or wherever else you may live. You need a lawyer for the locality where your accident occurred and where, if a lawsuit were to be filed, that's where it's going to be filed. Another reason you need a lawyer. The other reason is money. You want to make sure that you get as much money as possible for the accident that you just had in Stamford. Now, look, you didn't cause the accident. You didn't hit the other car. You didn't break the other car. You didn't slide into the other car. You didn't break their arms. You didn't cause them to be sitting in a hospital or the doctor's office. They did that to you. Who has to take responsibility for them? They. Who will pay the money? The insurance company. Which gets me to the third reason you need to hire a lawyer. And the third reason is that the insurance company is going to be involved. They have the big buildings, not you. They take people's money, and their entire business consists of trying to pay less of that money back in claims and keep the rest. Very simple business. Invest the rest and grow and grow and grow for their stockholders. Now, that's all good for them, but for you, what's important to know is that you want to make sure that the person representing you in court is going to be aggressive, is going to go after them, is going to want to squeeze as much money for you from them as possible. Now, that person is going to be a lawyer in Stamford. It could be my firm, could be somebody else's firm. We do a fantastic job, but many others do as well. You want to make sure you hire a local lawyer for the local accident that you just had. Another reason, who is going to pay your medical bills? You don't know. How to interact with the police officers that come to interview you or that were at the scene? You don't know how to do that. What to say? To whom? Do I give a statement? Do I not give a statement to my insurance carrier? Now, these are all the things that lawyers help with. These are all the reasons to hire a lawyer. Finally, most importantly, it doesn't cost you anything up front. We take cases on contingency. We win, you win. We lose, you lose. Costs you nothing. We are knowledgeable people. We do this all the time. We can certainly help you. We understand how you feel. You are hurt. You're in the hospital. You're trying to figure out what to do. Well, take a prudent step. Give us a call today. Get us on the line. We respond very quickly. And let's talk. Let's figure out if we can help you. We're local. We can go over to the hospital, maybe go over to where you are, and see if there's something we can do for you. If you have a claim, you're entitled to money. If you're entitled to money, don't take it on the chin. Give us a call.